Hello, today we will guide you through how to add living expenses in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll add a living expense to a plan so your projections reflect everyday costs accurately. This is helpful for modeling cash flow, testing scenarios, and understanding how routine bills affect your long-term picture. Start by opening ProjectionLab in your browser and head to the main workspace. From the dashboard, open the sample plan. This plan is great for practice and lets you experiment safely before making changes to your own data. Once the plan is open, locate the Expenses section in the interface. Look for the plus button next to Expenses and select it. That opens the menu where you can add a new entry. Choose Living Expenses from the list. You'll see a simple form designed to capture the essentials. In the name field, enter the living expense you want to track. Make it specific and easy to recognize later, like rent, groceries, utilities, or transportation. Clear names help you spot items quickly and avoid duplicates when your list grows. Next, set the frequency. Click the frequency control and pick how often this expense occurs, monthly, weekly, or annually, for example. Match this to the way you actually pay the bill. If your rent is monthly, choose monthly. If an insurance premium is annual, choose annual. Getting the timing right ensures your cash flow charts and year-by-year projections line up with real life. Now enter the amount, though type the number for the expense and keep formatting simple. Just the digits and decimals if needed. Consider an average for costs that fluctuate. For instance, you might average higher winter utilities with lower summer months, so your plan stays realistic over time. If your currency is displayed in the corner of the app, confirm it matches what you expect before proceeding. When everything looks correct, the name is clear, the frequency matches the billing cycle, and the amount reflects your best estimate. Click Add. Your new expense will appear in the list and flow through the plan's projections. You can immediately glance at the charts or cash flow summaries to see the impact and confirm it's been included. That's it. You've successfully added a living expense in ProjectionLab. Repeat the same process for other recurring costs to build a complete picture. The more accurate your expense list, the more trustworthy your plan will be. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refine your projections.